bring you on board to talk about what's the F&O market looking like, what's the cues that you need to watch out for. Ansh, good morning.
Right. Good morning. So starting with Nifty first, as you can see in the chart as well, we saw strong selling in the previous session, forming that bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, which usually indicates a potential reversal in trend on downside. However, we have some good support at 20 DMA, where it has been taking good support from last around 7 to 8 sessions. So we can hope for some good support and a good positivity here. Whereas if we talk about index futures, we are seeing open interest declining by 5%, indicating long unwinding, which is a bit of a cautious signal. Whereas if we talk about option front, then here we are seeing call writing happening at 22,800 and 22,600 strike, indicating resistance around this level. Traders not expecting Nifty to go above this level. Whereas on downside, we are seeing some mild put buying happening at 22,200, indicating option traders expecting Nifty to break that 20 DMA level on downside and go around this 22,200 mark. But moving on to Nifty Bank. As you can see in the chart as well, Nifty Bank has been going in an upward trend, but it is currently trading around that resistance of upward channel, which is causing some selling in the index. Whereas if we talk about index future, we are seeing open interest declining by 8%, indicating long unwinding similar to Nifty, showing some cautious signal here. Whereas on option front, we are seeing call writing happening at 49,500 strike, indicating strong resistance around this level. Whereas on downside, we are seeing put buying happening at that psychological level of 48,800, indicating traders expecting index to fall around this level or even below this level. Whereas if we talk about HDFC Bank, this is very important because HDFC Bank can provide some support to both Nifty and Bank Nifty, as this is a heavy weighted stock, and the stock has been trading around its 20 DMA from last 20, from around 18 to 20 sessions. So unless until we don't see a decisive breakdown from this DMA level, we can expect some support to both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Lastly, let's also talk about FIIs. So in index futures, FII have covered around 52,000 long contract. They have added 19,500 short contracts. So net to net, we are seeing a down move of around 72,000 contracts, due to which the total long position has slipped from 53% directly to 43%. This is the biggest long covering seen in at least 41 sessions, and the total long has fell by 25% in one session itself. With this, the total FII or index future, we are seeing selling of around 4,400 contract, 4,400 crore, out of which the total FII selling in Nifty was around 2,900 contract, which is around 65%. Lastly, let's also talk about stocks in focus that will be in focus today. And we are seeing long build-up happening in Coal India and NMDC, where short build-up in Coforge and MRF. So keep an eye on these stocks.
Absolutely.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.